How to work out whether I have a significant result for a psychological statistical test. In other words, is my p-value bigger or smaller than 0.005? And sometimes it makes us want to... It's easier than what you think. So if you want to report something in APA format and say you're doing a t-test, it would be t, open bracket, the degree of freedom, close brackets, equals what the t-value is, and then p equals what the p-value is. So the trick for working out whether your test is statistically significant or not is to write down each number underneath one another and line up the decimal points, and then systematically move through the numbers left to right to see which is bigger. So from the example of our output earlier, I will always have the 0.05 underneath and the answer produced by the t-test on top. You will see that the 0 is the same, so we move 1 to the right. We then see that 2 is bigger than 0, so we stop them and say it's not significant. Next, we have the example of 0.04. We see that the 0 is the same as the previous 0, so we move to the right. The 0 is once again the same, so we move to the right again, but we see that the 4 is less than 5, so we say it is significant. In the next example, we've got 0.06. So the 0 is the same as 0.5, so we move to the next, and once again to the next till we see that 6 is bigger than 5. The final example is that of 0.053. As you can see, it's got an extra digit on the end. Now, under APA guidelines, you should round to 2 decimal places. So that means, provided that the number that follows the final 5 is less than 5, then you will round down and it will become significant. If the figure was higher, then it would be non-significant, but in this example it is. Thank you for watching. Any questions, please get in touch with the email address on screen.